Here we are playing this game again, Settlers of Catan.
Go ahead, Wendy.
5.
Hey, there's a noise to the side here.
Stone.
Yes.
Do you have me 2 stone in the sheet, please?
Here's a stone for Adam. Alright, Rochelle. I would like to give you a sheep for a
She's
stone.
the cutest. Oh,
Anybody, I'll give a sheep for a stone.
I have no stone.
Adam?
honey, she's dreaming of you.
Okay.